So, we have already got to learn how we can change the forms of adjectives to change the degree of a sentence. Now, let's learn the different ways of transformation. First of all, we will learn how to change positive degree to comparative degree. So, students, আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি পজিটিভ ডিগ্ৰীত থকা সেন্টেন্স এটাক কেনেদৰে কম্পাৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীলৈ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম বা চেঞ্জ কৰিব পাৰোঁ সেই বিষয়ে শিকিম। Before going to the main topic, I want to tell you 4 structures in which a sentence of positive degree can be written. So, these are as, so as, no other, as, very few, as. So, these are the 4 structures which are followed by different sentences which can be written in positive degree. So, students, আমি positive degree লিখা এটা sentence এই কেইটা স্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ পাম। এই স্ট্ৰাকচাৰকেইটা ইয়াত দি দিয়া হৈছে as, so as, no other, very few other. Now I am going to show you how these structures are used in different sentences. For that, I am giving you some examples. First one, Hira is as tall as Ram. Here, the first structure is followed as. Correct? Now, look at number B. She is not so intelligent as her brother. Here also, the second structure is used. Number C. No other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur. Here, the third structure is used. No other city as. Clear? Now, number D. Very few other poets were as great as Kalidas. Here, in this sentence, the fourth structure is followed. So, now I am going to tell you the meaning of these examples. It will make it easier for you to understand. Okay? So, let's start. First, number A. Hira is as tall as Ram. এই সেন্টেন্সটোত হীৰাক ৰামৰ লগত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিছে। Though both of them are compared, it is clearly mentioned that no one is superior. ইয়াত দুইজনকে যদিও কম্পেয়াৰ কৰা হৈছে, দুইজনৰে কোৱালিটি। In this sentence, the quality of height is talking about. So, ইয়াত দুইজনকে সমান বুলি কৈছে। হীৰা যিমান tall, ৰামো সিমানেই tall. Clear? Now see, which one is the adjective here? It is very clear. Tall is the adjective here. So, I guess you can know that this is the positive degree of the adjective. এই tallটো positive degree যে আছে তোমালোকে হয়তো সকলোৱে গম পাইছা। Next to চোৱা, number B. She is not so intelligent as her brother. That means she is compared with her brother. But look at the meaning. She is not so intelligent as her brother. Here, one thing is clearly mentioned that no one is superior. She is as intelligent as her brother. তাই তাৰ ককায়েকৰ দৰে intelligent হয়. Both are equally intelligent. Clear? So here the word clear, the adjective intelligent is used in positive degree. Again, number C. No other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur. Rajasthanot thoka city ekhono no other city means ekhono nohoy as beautiful as Jaipur. Jaipurok karur logote tulona kora hua nai. Understood? Hokolutkoi dhuniya kunkhon Jaipur. Clear? Next, number D. Very few other poets were as great as Kalidas. Here the adjective is great. It is very clear that it is in positive degree. Correct? And see why we are using very few other poets. Yes, Kalidas was this, according to this sentence, Kalidas was one of those great poets of his era who were as great as him. But not all. Hokolure kotha koa nai. Keijonman poet jun keijon Kalidasor homanei great hoy boli koise. Understood? Yato comparison kora hua nai. Kalidas jiman great, hei poet keijonu homanei great. Kaku superior place dia hua nai. Clear? So, here are some very important points to remember. So, see students, when we will go to transform one sentence from one degree to another, you cannot change the sentence in tense. Second point is, you cannot change the meaning of that sentence. যেতিয়া তুমি এটা সেন্টেন্স এটা ডিগ্ৰীৰ পৰা বেলেগ ডিগ্ৰীলৈ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰা, চেঞ্জ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰা, সেইটো সময়ত তুমি টেন্সৰ চেঞ্জ কৰিব নোৱাৰা আৰু সেই সেন্টেন্সটোৰ যিটো মিনিং দিয়া আছে সেই মিনিংটো চেঞ্জ কৰিব নোৱাৰা. ক্লিয়াৰ? নেক্সট, as we are going to learn how to change a sentence given in positive degree to comparative degree, we must know more about the sentences of comparative degree. আমি যেহেতু পজিটিভ ডিগ্ৰীৰ পৰা কম্পেৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰীলৈ চেঞ্জ কৰিবলৈ শিকিব গৈ আছোঁ, আমি সেইকাৰণে কম্পেৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰী বিষয়ে অলপ বেছিকৈ জানি ল'ব লাগিব. হাউ ইজ ইট ইউজ ইন এ চেণ্টেন্স? এটা চেণ্টেন্সত কম্পেৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰী কেনেকৈ ইউজ হয়? নাও চি, দ্য কম্পেৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰী of adjective followed by the word then. Okay? যেতিয়া এটা সেন্টেন্সত দুটা noun or pronoun তুমি compare কৰিবা, সেই compare কৰোঁতে you must use the comparative form of the adjective. Okay? Suppose good, it is in positive, then better, it is in comparative, best, it is in superlative. Okay? So while you are changing one sentence given in positive or superlative to comparative degree, positive or superlative degree thoka sentence asta, jetia tumi comparative degree loi change kora, tetia adjective or konto form use koribo lagibo? A comparative form to. It is, for example, good, better, best, or better to use koribo lagibo. Got it? Then hey je ami comparative degree form to use korilo adjective or after that you must use then. Okay? For example, I am taller than he. Okay? See, I am taller. Taller, the comparative form of the adjective, then we are using the word than. Clear? I and he. মই আৰু তাৰ মাজত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ, দুটাৰ মাজত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ, ইট ইজ ইন কম্পেৰেটিভ ডিগ্ৰী এণ্ড হিয়াৰ উই আৰ ইউজিং দেন. আছামিজত যদি আমি কওঁ মই তাতকৈ ওখ, এই যে তাতকৈ বুলি যে কওঁ ইউজ কৰোঁ, কৈটো আমি কিহৰ থ্ৰুৱেদি ইংলিছত ইউজ কৰোঁ? দেন. গট ইট? অ'কে. Now, the second important point is that in comparison, using than, যেতিয়া than use কৰি আমি compare কৰোঁ, the personal pronouns following than should be in subjective case. Now see, pronouns of subjective case and pronouns of objective case. Subjective case or pronouns bur kunbur hoy he, she, I, it, we, they. Okay, these are called pronouns of subjective case. Understood? Then, which are the pronouns of objective case? Me, you, him, her, its, us, them. These are pronouns of objective case. Clear? Now, the thing about this is that while you are writing one sentence in comparative degree, you cannot use the pronouns which is used after the word then in objective case. A denor pasot jitu pronoun use hobo, he pronoun to tumaloke objective case use koribo nwara. Clear? She is better student than me use nokoru ami. She is better student than I. That means after the word then, you must use the pronoun in subjective case. Ami thenor pasot use hoa subject pronouns bur subjective case or pronoun use korim. Okay, you cannot use me use koribo nwara. You must use I. Okay, you cannot use her, you must use she. Buzi pala? Okay, now let's start the transformation process. Okay, so first of all, let's learn the first structure. It is as. Now, look at these examples. Hira is as tall as Ram. I told you to remember two very important points. First is, you cannot change the tense, and the second one was, you cannot change the meaning. So first you see what is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, aru a formula to tumaloke as structure sentence joti pua ekekhini rule follow koribo lagibo. Okay, so let's start. Hira is as tall as Ram. Tar mane Hira aru Ramor height same hoy. Okay, but you are going to write it in comparative degree, correct? To me sentence to comparative degree likhibo lagibo. So the adjective must be used in comparative degree. Got it? Now, jodi ami eneke likhu Ram is taller than Hira, then the meaning will be changed. Jodi ami kau je Ram Hirat koi taller hoi gole, tetia ami meaning to change kori pelam. But we cannot change the meaning. Ami to meaning to change koribo nwaru. That's why we must take the help of not. Got it? Ami not or help lom. A as thakile ami etu structure lom. Jitu lastot thakibo pronoun. Hekhot thoka pronoun to ami pronoun or noun whatever ami etu first loi anim. Etia Hira is as tall as Ram nohoy. A Ram to ami subject hisabe use korim. So first we are writing the subject. You can note it down. Subject Ram. Then the auxiliary which is used is. Ami is use korim. And I think all of you know it very well that without an auxiliary you cannot use not. Not to auxiliary nohuake kuneo ami use koribo nwaru. Correct? So after is not. Subject Ram, which was used at the last. Keep it in mind. Last use what ami first likhisu Ram. Then is. Correct? Then we are using not. Why we are using not? So that the meaning remains same. Jate amar meaning to same thake. Ram is not. Then which one was the adjective? Tall. We are using the comparative degree of tall. It is taller. Okay. Then we learned it before also. After comparative degree of adjective ami ki use korim? The word then. We used it. Then the first noun, which was it? Hira. Ram is not taller than Hira. That's it. Like that. Look, number B. Look at number B. She is as beautiful as her sister. That means both of them are equally beautiful. We are going to the that means last noun. It is her sister. Her sister is used. Subject, usual. Then auxiliary ki ase? Is. We are using it. After that, we cannot change the meaning. I mean, meaning change koribo noaru. That's why we are using not. Okay. Then the comparative degree of the adjective beautiful. Tuta syllable ase. Ami hikisilu last video that when a word has two syllable, we cannot use er or est. Er, est use koribo noaru. So what we have to use? More. So we are using more beautiful. Correct? That means it is the adjective in comparative degree. Then we are using the most important word. It is then. After that, the first noun or pronoun. It is she. And মই কৈছোৱে তোমালোকক এটো har use কৰিব নোৱাৰো. Why? Because after then pronouns in subjective case should be used. Understood? Now we are using she. আমি যে objective caseলৈ caseৰ যোনটো pronoun এটো use কৰিব নোৱাৰো সেই কাৰণে আমি subjective caseৰ she টোৱে ইয়াত use কৰিছো. Clear? Now let's go to the second structure. It is so as. Look at example number A. Ram is not so strong as Syam. Ram, Syamor homan strong nohoy. Okay. So here, jetia so as thakibo, eto structure use koribo laibo. Agor khini eke, lastor jun jitu noun or pronoun থাকিব তো আমি ফার্স্টত লিখিম শ্যাম লিখিলো দেন ইয়াত যে নট আছে আমি নটটো ৰিমুভ কৰিম so that the meaning remains same. Okay, শ্যাম is, okay, we remove the word not. Then the comparative degree of strong, it is stronger. Then the most important word then the first noun, it is Ram. That's all. এতিয়া meaning gita swa. Ram is not strong as so strong as Syam. মানে শ্যামত সমান Ram strong নহয়. শ্যাম বেছি strong হয়. এতিয়া answer যেতিয়া লিখিলো Ram is stronger than Ram. Syam is stronger than Ram. The meaning remains same. Correct? Meaning to same হৈ থাকিলে. Then number B. She is not, here I left the word so. You please correct it. She is not so intelligent as her brother. So here, her brother, it came to the first. Then we used auxiliary and removed not so that the meaning remains same. Okay. Then comparative degree of the adjective, it is more intelligent. Then the most important word then. After that, she. Okay, the first noun or pronoun. Got it? Clear? Now the third rule, it is no other as is. Look at the example. It is very important. No other city in Rajasthan is as beautiful as Jaipur. We discussed the meaning before also. So, the second noun, it is Jaipur. Correct? Bring it to the front, Jaipur. Then the auxiliary, which is the auxiliary is. We are using is. Then you must use more beautiful. Why? Because it is the comparative degree of beautiful. Then the most important word then, correct? And here it is a fixed role. Any other. Any other. Okay? Then any other what? Any other what? City in Rajasthan. That's all. So the last one, very few as. Look at the example. Very few other cities in India are as beautiful as Mumbai. Mumbai homan dhunia city kekhonmanhe ase. So we are using very few in positive. So to change it into comparative, bring the noun to the front, Mumbai, then auxiliary, what was used here, you see, very few other cities, it is plural form, okay, বহুত কিখনৰ কথা কৈছে, so we are using are here, it is in present tense, is not it, but after Mumbai you cannot use are because Mumbai is a singular, but in the same tense you must write because you cannot change the tense. Mumbai is, then the comparative degree of adjective beautiful, more beautiful, then the most important word then, and at the end most other cities in India. Here you cannot use any other বুলি use কৰিব নোৱাৰা, যদি any other হৈ যায় it means only one, but here very few, what is it, মানে ইয়াত মুম্বাই নিচিনা আৰু কেইবাখনো আছে, কম আছে কিন্তু মুম্বাইৰ বাহিৰেও আৰু বেলেগ আছে, সেইকাৰণে আমি any other to use কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ, what you have to use, most other, okay, most other use কৰিব লাগিব. So I want to conclude by giving two structures of these two types of structures which are used to write positive degree, how to write it in comparative degree. I mean comparative degree এই দুটা structure sentence কেনেকৈ লিখো এটা মই তোমালোকক structure দুটা দি দিছো, it will become more easy for you to remember. Okay, so first যেতিয়া no other দেখিবা, firstত কি আনিবা, noun to as a subject, okay, then auxiliary, okay, you can write it down, auxiliary, then comparative degree of adjective, okay, then the word then, okay, after that any other. It is in case of the sentences starts with no other. যোনবোৰ sentence no other এদি start হয় এইবোৰ sentenceৰ কাৰণে হা, subject, auxiliary, comparative form of adjective, after that then, after then any other, and the noun, the another noun, okay, you can note it down. Video to চাই তোমালোকে এইটো লিখি লোৱা, কি কি লিখিবা, যেতিয়া no other start হ'ব চেঞ্জ কৰিবলৈ subject লিখিবা, then auxiliary, comparative degree, after that then, after that any other, after that noun. Clear? Then now it is about the sentences which start with very few, okay, very few start হলে তুমি কি লিখিবা, first subject, okay, then auxiliary, then comparative degree of what, this adjective, okay, then after that then, after that most other, and then the noun, the another noun. আৰু এটা চাবা দেই, ইয়াত এতিয়া very few other cities in India হয়নে নহয়, ইয়াত তুমি only city to use koribo nwara. Cities in India together you have to use. You cannot skip a single word also. So you please write it down. Subject, auxiliary, that comparative degree of adjective. After that the word then. After that most other. After that noun. Clear? So in this video we learned how to change a sentence which is given in positive degree into a comparative degree. In my next videos, I will discuss the remaining part of this topic. Hope my videos helped you all. If it is so, don't forget to like and subscribe my videos.